Hello everyone, this is Nikhil Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Java string reversal problem, HackerRank problem. So let's go to the problem section. A palindrome is word, phrase, number or other sequence of characters which reads the same backward and forward. Given a string A, print S if it is a palindrome or print no otherwise. Constraints are A will consist of at most 50 lowercase English letters. It's a very easy problem. Basically, we wanna find the word is in palindrome or not. So let's go to the input section. Madam is the word. It is a palindrome, and we have to print S. So let's go to the code section. It's a very basic problem. First of all, we're gonna use a string builder class instead of a string class. String builder reverse string equal to new and string builder. This is the basic syntax for string builder class, and after that reverse string dot reverse. Here the reverse method is used for checking the particular word is in reverse and from reverse and from front it is similar or not. For that purpose we're going to use a reverse method, and then after that we put a conditional statement if a dot equals reversed reverse string dot to string. Then if it is true then print s, otherwise print no. Otherwise else print no. Yes, यहाँ पे देखो हमने क्या क्या किया है. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी make one string builder class and reverse string variable. Into the string builder class we took a string which is already given to us. Then after that we're gonna use a reverse method to check the reverse to make the particular word is in reverse form, and after that we simply make a one if condition for checking if the reversed word and given word it is in same order or not. So that's why we took a dot equals reverse string dot to string, and if it is true then put s, otherwise put no. Let's see it is correct or not. Then let's run the code. Yeah, we got the correct output. Then let's submit the code. Yes, we successfully clear the all the test cases, and we got the message from compiler as a success. So if it is useful for you then share to it your friends, and like करो, comment करो, subscribe करो. Thank you.